At the corner of Suffolk Street and Chestnut Street, you see there the Victory Theater, and it opened in 1920, and it opened to a sold-out crowd from the beginning because movies were in a hot heyday. And this was a great place. It had to unfortunately close in 1979. The reason why it closed is because the decreased attendance was happening throughout the 60s and 70s. Movie theaters started going into plazas and complexes instead of being separate. So this Victory hopefully can be rehabbed. A lot of money is being devoted to it. It seats about 1,600 people inside of it. It has a beautiful stage already, hopefully. Now, this corner is packed with items. Just beyond it is the Holyoke House, our former Roger Smith Hotel. The white structure on the very top, it used to be a restaurant where people get a great view of the whole of Holyoke, 360. At this corner in the foreground was the former Knights of Columbus. It was also, before even that, it was a home where it was taken over in 1907 by the Holyoke Club, a very exclusive club mostly for mill owners. And there was a place by Knights of Columbus. That was taken down after a fire, another replacement after that. And beyond it used to be the home of Holyoke Gas and Electric, and then way beyond it is now the Hadley Falls Trust Company, a very beautiful multi-purpose place. It is gorgeous inside in there. Now, the last thing to check out in this corner is at the other side of Suffolk Street. You're looking at a building that was constructed in 1928 to be the Holyoke Savings Bank, and it's a neoclassical style. And when they closed, they were bought out by Holyoke Gas and Electric, and that's why you see it's there. Now, it has the year 1855 imprinted above the door, and that's because that's when the Holyoke Savings Bank was made. It no longer exists. Sadly, a lot of banks are sold out. But this corner is very busy, like you see, especially with that Victory Theater. If they ever come in, then the whole street is going to be rehabbed to a new look. It might turn into a dead end right in front of the Victory. Okay, thank you for coming in.